You can expect a lot from the 2016 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We encourage you to browse our online inventory, schedule a test drive, and investigate financing options.